Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to check your wallet address in Binance application using your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, open the Binance app on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the homepage of Binance, go ahead and tap on the wallet button at the top of the screen. Once you get to your wallet, tap on the Receive button at the top right corner. Now, click on Receive Tokens via Address. On the next page, from the Select Token page, click on the cryptocurrency you want to view. I'm just gonna tap on Ethereum. After you do that, you will be able to find the selected cryptocurrency's wallet address. Tap the little copy button, two squares stacked together at the bottom right, this one over here, and this will copy your wallet address. Alternatively, you can also scan the QR code directly from the screen with your other device for accuracy. If you are writing down the wallet address manually, make sure to double check every character. Crypto transactions are irreversible and vulnerable to address poisoning attacks. So, that is how you can easily find wallet address for a specific cryptocurrency on Binance. Remember that every cryptocurrency has a different wallet address. If you select a different cryptocurrency, you will be able to see there is a different wallet address there. And that's it. You've located your Binance wallet address on your mobile device, quick, safe, and ready to use. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.